ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
The Shillong Book Fair 2023 has been, thank you.
Uba po Lyngdoh ubalong Menteri Ubapet ia katanat Arts and Culture, rengkat kajing sanran lang jong Menteri katanat Pule Puthi rakam sangma, haga arpunyo tarik unailor arajar arpulai. Ula plepat ba ia ke Shillong Book Fair 2023 kabalalong Hasosotham Auditorium State Central Library Shillong ia kabalapelong daga National Book Trust India. Ministry of Education ke Sarkar India, harengkat ke jingit relang bat ketenat Arts and Culture, bat ketenat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Meghalaya. Kani ke book fair kandang beteng bat kan sakut no hado ka lai tarik urisau arjar arpulai. Kiwai pat kipala sakhi lang kani ke sengi ki kentup yau Commissioner and Secretary jong ketenat Arts and Culture uba FR Kharkongor, u advisor jong ketenat Pule Puthi uba HM Pynmlien, u Vice Chancellor ke Skol Ba Nehu, u Professor PS Shukla, bat kiwai.
A happy coincidence that I have more than one reason to be cheering about. One is as Minister in charge of Arts and Culture because of the Shillong Book Fair, and two is as Minister in charge of Tourism because today is a very auspicious occasion, the World Tourism Day. And another happy coincidence is that today you have invited two members of the cabinet to be here. Mr. Rakam, whose roots are from the Department of Physics, and myself, who's from the world of literature, the physical and the imaginative. When I'm invited to book fairs, at times I also get invited to trade fairs. And there's one fundamental difference between a book fair and a trade fair. Whatever you buy from a trade fair will diminish in value over time. Whatever you buy from a book fair will get enhanced in value over time. That is the basic fundamental difference between a book fair and a trade fair. I just shared these thoughts with Frederick a while back, that the biggest problems that we face in the world today is that we have artificial intelligence and natural stupidity. And we have smartphones that are used mostly by the unsmart. So these are the challenges that only books will help us overcome. And if you ask me why I still love a book in its physical form, the state of Meghalaya has so much to offer to the rest of the world. I would like to invite the National Book Trust to engage further with Meghalaya. Let us have mobile libraries. Let us have more platforms where on a regular basis the young can interact with authors, with poets, with storytellers. And it is precisely because of that that we have decided that the facilities that we have, the Hasosotham Auditorium, all of these will be outsourced to professional hands to ensure that such events are organized at more frequent intervals. Let us have book fairs which also attract more crowds. Before winding up, remind ourselves that books are an integral part of culture. Books are an integral part which helps us weave magic through words, and those words stay eternally. May the habit of reading be as natural as the habit of walking around. God bless. Pule, Mithila, Jai Hind.
In any development, there is a merit and a demerit. Yes, e-books is a very easy access to each one, but there is always a limitation. There is always demerit with it. So of course we have the offline, the books we have. Yes, we have a limitation also, but I think the both sides we should get the benefit. We should substitute the others one, the vice versa. But what should be balanced and what should bring the benefit to the students.
Well, this Shillong Book Fair, as you can see, has engaged the attention of many schools and book lovers, and we're happy that the National Book Trust has agreed to choose Shillong as the location for this year's fair. So it is the biggest book fair in the country, and as you can see, there are 50 stalls dealing with all aspects of human life, literature, fiction, non-fiction, and apart from that, there are also events like storytelling session, which is on, and also fun games for kids and children. Earlier, the Department of Arts and Culture had a program called Kali Kitna, car carrying books. We would like to revive that project, one. Two is, we have also spoken to the NBT, National Book Trust. The top officials are here about their supporting a mobile library throughout Meghalaya, and we will collaborate on that. We should travel to other districts, but since this book fair is happening after a gap of 7 years, and the officials have obviously changed. They are fairly new to Meghalaya, so today they've come to Shillong, but in the not so distant future, we'll try to take them to other distant headquarters.